This question is from UGC NET November 17, paper 3. The question is about 8085 microprocessor. The question is, in 8085 microprocessor, the address bus is of dash bits. That means they are asking about the bits of the address buses in the 8085 microprocessor. Now, the answer will be 16, right? For the sake of your knowledge, let me explain. In case of 8085 microprocessor, data buses, the size of data bus is 8 bits and the size of address bus is 16 bits, right? Whereas in case of 8086 microprocessor, the size of data bus is 16 bits and the size of address bus is 20 bits. Now what does it mean? If we have a 16 bits address bus, that means we can address 2 to the power 16 bytes of memory, right? We are considering it is a byte addressable memory. So if we have 16 bits of address bus, then we can address 2 to the power 16 bytes of memory. So the answer is 3, that is 16 bits.